So this channel is doing $844,000 right here. This other one is doing $1,800 right here. This other one also is doing 62,000 plus right here. This other one is doing 14,000 plus. Okay, this is way higher than they are making on this channel, and they're all making this money without anybody showing their face on camera. So the big question right here is, can you actually build a business on YouTube, okay, without showing your face on camera? And the answer is yes. And in this video, we're going to be looking at how you can basically do that. So you've been seeing different content on YouTube pop up every single day, okay, on YouTube, showing you different ways you can actually make money online, okay, by building a YouTube automation business. And it actually works. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get started with yours the most easy way possible. So a little bit of backstory right here. In February of 2019, I made a post on my YouTube channel where I talk about, okay, posting on YouTube or making a YouTube channel without showing your face, okay. And the thumbnail was very, very funny right here, okay. Look at this funny marks I have on the thumbnail and all. And this particular YouTube automation thing has been around for a long, long time. And so many people have taken advantage of it in the past, and here it is again coming up right now. And you can also leverage it and take advantage of it because it actually works. So first off, let's look at some example of YouTube channel that are currently making this kind of money, okay, on YouTube, that are doing very, very well, and YouTube can also model after them as well. You can see they're just posting content and nobody's showing their faces, okay. You're just seeing different countries, talking about countries and all of that. Literally, they're just doing more of like a documentary and all of that. Nobody's showing their face. This is another channel right here called Build Empire. Okay, you can see they're just talking about billionaires, luxury, kind of luxury style content and all of that. And you can see they're getting a ton of views right here and all of that. Okay, you can see another one called Next Level Life and all of that. Okay, more of like sharing personal finance topic and all those cool stuff. Nobody showing their faces also. This is another one called Mojo Travels right here. Okay, you can see the channel right here. It's a travel YouTube channel. Nobody also showing their face, more of like using stock footages and all those stuff. Okay, you can see another one here called Sample History, literally talking about military stuff and all those stuff, and more of like history content. You can see they're using animated content right here too. Nobody is also showing their face. So there are so many content on YouTube doing this particular strategy, and YouTube can also do it. This is another channel on YouTube right here, okay, doing the same thing, okay. Nobody's showing their face right here. 5 Minutes Craft is also another big one on YouTube, okay, that is doing the same thing, okay, as well as Brightside and all of that, because they are part of the same company and all those cool stuff. So step one, the first thing you want to do in terms of starting your own faceless YouTube channel is to do a little bit of research, niche picking and all of that. Select a niche and the type of content you want to be creating, or more of like do a little bit of research and see the kind of content you want to model after, or something similar you want to create. So for step number 2, what you want to do is content creation, okay. You want to figure out how you're going to be creating content. Where will you be getting content from? Who will be doing the scripting for you? Okay, how will you be doing the voiceovers? How will you be editing the videos, posting the content, managing the YouTube channel, thumbnails and all of that? How are you going to be going about all of this? At first, I actually recommend you do it yourself so that you can understand how the process works. Then later on down the line, you can outsource it to other virtual team to help you handle the entire thing. So what you can do in content creation is to write your script. If you cannot write your script yourself, okay, there are so many tools out there that can help you write scripts, okay. There are automated tools, AI tools like Jasper, Writer. There are so many AI tools that you can literally do. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about all of those tools that you can literally use to do all of this. So you can use some of those AI tools to actually write your script for yourself, okay, or more of like outsource the script to somebody on Fiverr. Come over to Fiverr, okay, and just get somebody and order a gig from them to help you write your script. They could write about 5-10 for you, okay, then give the other batch to somebody else. You can split your content into batches, okay, more of like, let's say you want to create about 50 content, okay, you can split it into batches, give different script writers and negotiate the rates among all of them. Order that script writing and get everything in bulk, literally. That way you're ready to launch your YouTube channel with full force. Then the next thing you want to do is to look for a voiceover artist, okay? If you cannot record voices yourself, you cannot use your voice, all right? Some people will say they don't have fancy microphones or good microphones to do their voiceover themselves, okay? So you can as well outsource that if you have the money to pay for it, or if you can do it yourself, you can use your smartphone. There are so many smartphones these days that sound very, very nice. Okay, I was using mine the other day and it's literally super clear. You can actually use your smartphone to get started with, okay, and literally when you start making money, you can, you know, upgrade, or literally just outsource it to somebody on Fiverr, because those guys have a lot of fancy equipment, studio, they know how to give professional sounds and all those cool stuff, literally. So if you have the money to pay, you can actually outsource it on Fiverr. Then the next thing you want to now think of is how are you going to be putting your videos together. Okay, you need a video editing software, all right? For me, I use Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. But if you don't have that, okay, you can literally use a software like OpenShot, okay, you can see it right here, it's free to use, or you can use DaVinci Resolve, okay, or any other free software out there that you can literally use to edit video and put videos together. Then when you have your voiceover and you have your editing software, the next thing you want to do is to get content. You want stock footages, videos, pictures, you know, background music and all of that, okay. So what you can do is, for the paid version, you can come to Storyblock, okay, and pay for Storyblock and use their platform, okay, to get yourself, you know, royalty-free stock footages, videos, images, and all of that, okay. But for the free version, you can use Pexels, okay. Pexels actually have pictures and videos, so you can use their own platform to actually do this for free, literally, okay. And there are so many other free stock websites out there you can also use. There are so many other ones I'm still experimenting on, which I'll be sharing much later, okay, like this platform called Midjourney, okay. So I actually joined this platform and they literally run it through Discord, literally. It helps you create automated images and all of that, literally, and AI actually does all of this. All you just need to do is to type in some words and all of that. I'm going to be doing much other videos about this much later, okay. So you can actually create your own images, okay, and use for your videos, or you can as well use stock footages from Pexels and literally just do that, okay. So once you have all of that put together, you now need background music. For background music, you can come to this website called Epidemic Sound, but you're going to be paying for Epidemic Sound. If you don't want to pay for Epidemic Sound, okay, you can use the YouTube audio library, which is free, okay. It's completely free. Download some sound right here and use them as background music for your content, okay. What you literally need to do is to come right here and click on this part that says attribution not required, okay. So attribution not required, you don't need to give any credit and all of that. Download them and use them for your videos, okay. But if you want to create your own video, your own audio yourself, you could get a producer or a sound engineer to do that for you, or come to this platform called ava.ai, okay. You can actually create your own sound right here, but you'll be paying for it. The pro plan right here is about £33 per month, okay, to help you create yours, okay. I was experimenting on it not too long ago also. You can see the platform right here. I actually made some sound, though I'm not going to be playing it right here. It actually sound cool. You can also check it out, okay. It's called ava.ai as well, okay. So you can actually use all of this, put this background sound together, okay, and more of like edit your content, put your video editing together to create your YouTube video, okay, and use Photoshop or Photopea for your thumbnails, okay. Or you can basically use Canva. It's a free tool. They have a paid plan also. You can use that to create your own thumbnail. So with that, now content creation is out of the way. Some people might be thinking, okay, they want to use automated voice, okay, maybe text to speech software, okay. You can actually do that, but it might give you a little bit of difficulty when you're trying to apply for the YouTube Partners Program. So I recommend you use normal human-like voice, okay. For text to speech software, one of the best ones out there is Well Said Lab, okay. If you come right here, you can play some of this and they actually sound human-like.
Helping a client with their accident claim can be a difficult process.
Okay, you can see this one, it sounds human-like, but what I recommend is basically just use a real human voice. Hire somebody or you record your voice yourself to get started. Then more of like later you can maybe start testing things out with maybe other channels since you've gotten experience with it and all those stuff, okay. If you're doing affiliate marketing, maybe you don't want to do the YouTube Partners Program, maybe you can also use automated voice. But if you want to also use every form of monetization for your YouTube channel, okay, start with human-like voice, like real human beings, okay, let them record for you and get started with that. So once your channel starts growing and gaining traction, you want to apply for the YouTube Partners Program when you hit the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hours, literally, okay, so that you can get monetized with that first, okay. Then you can move over to monetizing with other avenues, okay, which I'll be sharing with you in just a moment. So stick with me. I'm going to be sharing with you different monetization steps or process, okay, you're going to be using to monetize your channel to 10x your revenue or whatever you're going to be making on YouTube, or literally 50x your revenue, literally, okay. There are some channels that their ad revenue is very low compared to what they are monetizing in other avenues, literally. So I'll be sharing with you that in just a moment. So once you build your YouTube channel to a certain point, okay, what you want to do is you want to outsource it. You want to have a virtual team. You want to have a channel manager, and you want to make sure that you're working with different people. You want to have a different script writer. You want to have somebody who does voiceover separately. You want to have somebody who edits the video separately, thumbnails, and a channel manager, more of like a tax manager or an operations manager to literally manage this entire team for you. That way you can be out of the business, okay, and you can be seeing it from the outside. All right, you don't want to be in the business because you need to also do other things. Make sure you have a go-to team that literally helps you do all of this whole process. And what you can literally do is to be investing the money back into the business and see the business grow. So you can also monetize it using other avenues and other opportunities that come along. So to build your entire team, you can go to freelance websites, okay, like Fiverr, Upwork, okay, or you can literally just ask around, okay, to build your team. Just get people who are trustworthy or people who are professionals in their areas, and you can work with those people to build your YouTube business. So right now, let's look at different ways you can actually use to monetize your YouTube channel. On looking at this article right here on Sprout Social, okay, you can see they have about 10 different ways you can use to monetize your YouTube channel. Okay, so we're just going to be looking through it. The first one is actually YouTube ads, all right, advertising friendly content. You need to be following their guidelines and all of that, okay, which is YouTube Partners Program. Okay, this is the first one right here. The next one is paid sponsorship. So you can monetize your YouTube channel again with paid sponsorship, like different brands will be running ads on your channel or your community tab or on your description and all of that. They can be paying you for that. A lot of people earn so much money with this. Compared to the amount YouTube pays some people on their channel, okay, this is way more higher, okay, depending on the channel and your niche you're in, all right? So you can also monetize with affiliate. You can actually put affiliate links in the description of your content or in the community tab. So you can run different affiliate offers and all of that on your YouTube channel because you'll be growing an audience. So one good thing you should be doing also is more of like building an email list so that you can be sending your email list affiliate offers. The next thing is channel membership. Okay, I'm also looking at doing this as well, okay, for my YouTube channel. So you can actually do channel membership, which is also great. You can also monetize using Patreon, okay. A lot of people are also doing Patreon. You can also monetize using merchandise. So these are different ways you can literally monetize your channel, okay, not just using ads. Okay, you can also monetize using the super like feature, sticker and all of that. You can also monetize using the YouTube short funds. Okay, this one is actually an amount YouTube is just giving to people creating shorts and all of that. Okay, because YouTube have this thing in terms of more of like rewarding creators. They know how to do that very well. So you can also monetize using the YouTube Premium. People who are on premium plan on YouTube, okay, you can also earn from that as well. And you can also do YouTube Brand Connect. There are so many other ways you can actually use to also monetize your YouTube channel, which I can't actually mention everything right here. If not, this video will be way long. So now what you literally need to do is to take action in terms of building your own YouTube business. Click to watch this video right here for the step-by-step affiliate marketing guide to getting you started and making money with affiliate marketing. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.